Alright, let's dive right in. If you're working in retail, you know how important it is for your checkout system to run smoothly. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use Shopify POS, step by step, so you can help customers quickly and confidently. First things first, logging in. Open the Shopify POS app on your tablet or phone and enter your store credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your home screen. This is Command Central. You'll spot your products, quick actions, and some handy shortcuts. To start a sale, just tap Add Product or scan the item's barcode with your device camera. The product pops up in your cart. Need to adjust the quantity? Just tap the item, hit the plus or minus, and you're good. If your customer changes their mind and wants to swap a product, hit the trash can icon to remove it. Now let's talk discounts. Tap Add Discount if you want to apply a percentage or dollar amount to the whole cart or to a specific product. You can also add custom notes to the order, which is great for special requests. When it's time to pay, hit Checkout. Shopify POS supports pretty much every payment type: cash, card, even gift cards, and contactless options like Apple Pay. Select the customer's payment method and follow the prompts. If it's cash, the app will tell you exactly how much change to give back. For card payments, just follow the instructions on your terminal. After the sale, you can print a receipt or send it by email or text. Want to collect customer info for loyalty or future promos? Tap Add Customer at checkout and fill in their details. It takes just a second and helps with marketing down the road. Returns or exchanges? No sweat. Head to Orders, find the original sale, and tap Return. Select which items are coming back and choose the refund method. Shopify POS takes care of the inventory automatically, so you don't have to worry about stock counts. A quick tip: if you ever get stuck, there's a help button right in the app, or you can check Shopify's online support. And remember, keeping your device charged and connected to Wi-Fi makes everything run smoother. That's the basics of Shopify POS. Once you're comfortable, you'll be ringing up sales like a pro, cutting down wait times and giving customers a great experience. Thanks for watching. Now go make those sales.